So, a word to the chronic snorers. How can this device help them?
Well, most of the snoring comes from your palate, your tongue falling back on your airway. That air goes through and the tissue vibrates and it does that type of thing.
So because during the day, these people breathe fine.
Yeah, none of us snore when we're awake and upright, okay, right? But when we fall asleep, unfortunately, most of us don't know that we snore. It's our spouse, bed partner that's, hey, roll over, do that kind of thing. So just, in a nutshell, we're going to take your jaw and move it forward, and we get your tongue and your palate off the back of your throat. So we make that airway bigger. So my snoring went from a 10 down to a 2. So our dental devices do that 90% of the time.
Have you ever had patients, because you say you've helped thousands with this problem. Is that right?
Thousands.
Successfully.
This is all I've been doing for over a decade now, and we have helped thousands of patients.
Have you ever had 100% reversal where they say, somebody comes in, maybe the spouse says, he doesn't snore at all?
Yeah, we
Really?
hear that routinely. Part of that depends on where you start. So if you're peeling the paint off the ceiling, right, we're going to get you down to a purr. But if you're anything less than that, we're going to get you down to where we get you below that threshold so that you can get back in the same bedroom and sleep with your spouse again.